back to another video, everybody, and today we are doing another Just Cause 2, and actually got the full version now. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and it's gonna be fun, because the full version is awesome. It's awesome shosh. Hashtag awesome shosh, put it in the comments. First one to do that wins bragging rights. Oh, Tina! Tina! No, that's not Tina. Are you related to Tina? Please tell me you are. Do you know where she is? Tell me. Please? Right now. Come on, come on. Don't be a butt. Run. Run. Fine, fine. Get out of here. Screw you. Go die. Tina, I'm stealing your... That's not Tina. That is Tina's wife. Wait, what? Tina's a girl. Or is she? Well then, Mr. Bike, you butt. Alright, where are we going? We are going to this airport. Nope, not that airport. We're going to journey our way over to that airport, because that's the airport I want to go to. Okay. No. Ah! Cool car! This is the one from the city that I was going to go get, but I guess I don't need to go all the way to the city to get this car. Unless it blows up. It's going to blow up. I can sense it now. Are you kidding me? That's far away. That's like all the way across the map. Woo! Oh my god! Oh! Oh, come on. Flop. Oh, what the?
Whoa.
Alright. Just float.
Comfort.
Stupid car. Why am I so terrible at driving? Oh my god. Flop. He just keeps flopping on away. Yeah, look at that purple engine. That's sexy.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Alright, come on, let's get out of here. Mr. Tree. Woo. Okay. Okay. Yeah, look at purple engine. Oh, flop. Purple engine. Look at that. I don't know if that's a glitch or not, but that's just sexy right there. They should add that into the... Oh my god, it's on fire! Ah! You'll always be remembered, Mr. Carr. You are the only one not in the city. And I will always love you. Hey, let's... Yeah, I love you, Mr. Carr. Mr. Carr, you were gonna go to the prom with me, but no, you just had to leave and kill yourself because you hated me so much. That's life, my friends. It's terrible. Stupid tree. He doesn't know what he... Dog! Stop barking! If you bark again, you're going to get a foot shoved up your butt. No. I don't even know what I just said. I will look it up. Hey! Alright, you want a foot up your butt? Okay, here you go. There's your foot up your butt. Come on, how far away is the waypoint? Okay, yeah, forget that. We're not going there. We are going to get a butt. No, no, this is not happening. This is not happening. You want to know what's really happening? Yeah! That just happened! Hey, ammo crates. Gimme. Yes, thank you. I got bullets. Give me that too. Dat grenades. So, where's the minigun, huh? Huh? Where'd it go? So, we're just walking around with a minigun here. Tell me if you guys like the minigun in the comments. It's a good gun. Alright, that's about to blow up, so let me go near it. Just to make sure I'm here for its funeral. I'm sorry, but I'm taking this. Goodbye. When I see a cool car, I'm taking it. Because this is slow. What the heck? What is wrong with you? I'm gonna kill you. You butt. Get out. Oh. Yeah! No! Why is the gas station blown up? Dang it. Oh, a race. I've never done a race before. I'm getting out. I'm sorry. Okay, let's do this. A plane! Oh god, what the heck? Oh, it's not a race, it's a checkpoint. It's a checkpoint, but we get a plane, so it doesn't matter. Oh, I'm about to die. I'm gonna die right now. That was uncalled for, Mr. Plane. I hate you, Mr. Plane. You're mean. You are so mean. When I blow up! Yeah! Oh, I didn't die? Fine, jeez. You know what? If I don't die, then I'm gonna die. So, anyways, that was just cause 2 again. So, anyways, today we are going to eat a pineapple. I do not have a pineapple. Okay, bye.